Cooking is the art, science, and craft of using heat to prepare food for consumption. While cooking is clearly a means to satisfy the body's need for food, it's increasingly being recognized as a way of nurturing the mind. However, cooking is not an easy task. It's a balancing act that you need to cook ingredients enough but not so long that they dry out and lose flavor. This is a big challenge, especially for novice cooks. So, what if cooks can be reminded of the heat during their cooking? Many devices on the market try to solve this problem, but they have their limitations. Some of them are non-portable, some of them require extra effort cleaning them, some of them limit users' operating space, and some of them are inconvenient to use while cooking. So, the ideal device should meet all these requirements. A wearable temperature monitor for cooking called Tempemind is developed. Here is a simple 3D model showing what it looks like. Tempemind uses a flexible strap to adapt to different wearing needs. It can also work as an add-on component of the kitchenware, for example, the spatulas. The work-like prototype of Tempemind contains several electronic components. An Adafruit ESP32 phaser to process code, an infrared temperature sensor to monitor temperature, a passive buzzer to send reminders, and an RGB LED which changes color according to different situations. Tempemind is linked to a control website so users can freely set and change the target cooking temperature on their phones or tablets. While reaching the target temperature, the LED will change from the original blue to green. The bezel will meanwhile send a voice reminder. When the cooking temperature is too high, the LED will change to red. A high-pitched warning sound will be played, thus the user knows that he should turn down the heat to avoid overcooking. Tempemind is easy to carry and suits all kinds of situations. It requires no direct contact with food, which prevents contamination. It does not add a burden to the user's cooking, as the user does not need to hold it. In the future, 3 functions will be added. The first one is thermal imaging. It provides users with visualizable data on whether the food is heated evenly. The second one is the voice user interface, which allows users to set or change target temperature using voice. The last one is to build a Tempemind community. Users can share their ideas about the best temperature for cooking each kind of food. The data shared can be directly downloaded to the Tempemind.